Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Dipali Yadav. I will teach you maths in class 4th. Now first I will tell you the syllabus. First unit is revision. Second is Roman numerals. Third is number system. Now first I will teach you unit 1 revision. When we have to make a largest number, we make it by taking the largest one digit number, that is 9. So to make largest two digit number, we take 2 nines, that is 99. Largest three digit number will be 3 nines, that is 999. To make smallest number, we take 1 first and then add 0 to the number. For example, two-digit number will be, smallest two-digit number will be 1 and 0, means 10. Three-digit smallest number will be 100, means 100. Now the topic, we will discuss the topic predecessor and successor. Predecessor, it is the number which comes before the number. Means if you have to tell the predecessor of 15, 14 will be the predecessor of 15. Now successor, it is the number which comes after the number. Means if you have to tell the successor of 15, 16 will be the successor of 15. Now place value, at which place the digit is according to the place value chart. To find the place value of the digit, you should know the place value chart of Indian system and international system also. In which time the number is written, you should know the place value chart of that system. So in Indian place value chart, there are periods and places. There are 4 periods: crores, lakhs, thousands and ones, and these periods are divided into places. So ones period is divided into ones, tens and hundred. Thousands period is divided into 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs period is divided into lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores period is divided into crores and 10 crores. Now the face value. Face value means what the digit is. If for example the number is 9534, so to tell the face value of 5, the face value of 5 will be 5, not 500. 500 will be the place value, but the face value of 5 will be 5. Okay children, then there is your exercise. Now we will do the exercise. The first question is fill in the blanks. The largest 4-digit number is 4 times 9 means 9999. Second is the smallest 4-digit number is 1 and 3 zeros means 1000. Third, the place value of 8 in 3486 is 80 because 8 is at tens place. Ones and tens. Because 8 is at tens place, the place value of 8 is 80. Fourth, the predecessor of 3000 is 2999. We can also find the predecessor by subtracting 1 from the number. Means 3000 minus 1 will give us this number. Fifth question, fifth fill in the blank is the successor of 6899 is 6900. Means to find the successor of the number, we can add 1 to the number and we will get the successor. Sixth, the place value of dash remains the same. I told you before, or you have studied in the previous classes, that place value of 0 remains the same because 0 has no value, and so at whatever place is 0 means either at hundreds place or thousands place or tens place or whatever place it may be, but the place value of 0 will remain the same. Next is the largest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits is 9876 because we have to write the largest 4-digit number and by using 4 different digits. So we will start from the largest digit, largest one number digit, which is 9, and then we will write the number which is 9876. Eighth fill in the blank. The smallest 4-digit number formed using 4 different digits is 1023. Because I told you we can never start the number by 0, we will start it by 1. We can place the 0 at second or third place and then we can know the number. So for knowing the smallest 4-digit number by using 4 different digits is 1023. Now second question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Write the following numerals in words. 5476. 5, because the 5 is at thousands place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 5476. Second is 3940. 3940. C is 9700. So 9700. D is 6019. So 6019. Question number 3. Write the following numbers in figures. So 8602. 8602. We can also know the number by writing this way. Means first 8000, then 600, and below it 00 because there is no digit at tens place. So 00 and then 2. Then we will add all the numbers. So we will get the 8602. Second is 5100. 5100. Third is 3014. So 3014. You can do all these sums in the same way as I told you the first one. Then the D 9009. 9009. E 8880. So in this also we will write first 8000, then 800, then 80, and then add all them. Then we will get 8880, means 8880. Now there is a worksheet for you. Question number 4. Write the place value and face value of each digit in 8347. To solve this question, you can make the table like this. You can make a table and divide it into 3 columns: digit, place value, and face value. Then in below the column digit, you will write all the digits 8, 3, and 4, 7. Now here you will write their place value and here face value. Okay. Question number 5. Find the difference between the place value of 2 sevens occurring in 7875. You all can see there are 2 sevens in this number. Then you will first take out the place value of the both sevens. First is 7000 and then the next is 70. So we will minus 70 from 7000 and we will get the answer, means difference between the place values of sevens. Question number 6. Write each of the following numerals in expanded form. Expanded form. First is 8629. All of you know the expanded form, or the children who don't know, students who don't know the expanded form, you can know that you have to write these numbers like the numbers given in question number 7. 8629. Second is 9470. Third is 5309 and fourth is 6054. Question number 7. Write each of the following in short form. Means you have to write these parts in the way which the question number 6 questions are given. 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 1 means 4561. B. 5000 plus 80 plus 7 will give you 5087 because at hundreds place there is no number. Then C. 7000 plus 700 plus 7. So 7707 because in this there is no digit at tens place. D 6000 plus 30. This will be 6030 because there is no digit at hundreds place and ones place. E 8000 plus 5. 8005 because there are no numbers at hundreds and tens place. Okay. Now question number 8. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. Okay, all of you know na? Yes. Now first question, 7896, 6978, 8967, 9687, 6897, 7968. Second is 5410, 5014, 5104, 5041, 5401 and 5140. Question number 9. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means from biggest to smallest. 4003, 3004, 3400, 3043, 4033, 4303. Next is 8088, 8808, 8008, 8080, 8800. Now and last is 8888. Okay, thank you children, and stay at home, stay safe. You have to do all these exercises and worksheet in your fair copy. Thank you.